Have you ever written a Qlik Set Analysis expressions that looks perfectly correct, but the results are completely wrong? No syntax errors, no warning messages, just the wrong numbers. In this video, I will show you how I use ChatGPT to troubleshoot set analysis expression faster in Qlik Sense. For this demonstration, I'm using a simple sales data set containing monthly sales information. I have a table here that is displaying total sales and a year month field that contains values such as January 2025, February 2025, January 2026, and so on. Let's assume a business user asks for total sales for January 2026 only. Sounds simple enough? Let's create that on a KPI. That is our expression. I want to see just the sales for 2026. Just a simple business requirement like that. The total sales for January 2026 only. The KPI return is 0. The expression appears correct at the first glance, but the KPI is returning 0. This is one of the most common situations developers encounter when working with set analysis. Let's use ChatGPT to solve that problem. I'm going to put in my prompt, and this is my prompt. I have the following Qlik Sense Set Analysis expression, that is the expression, and the KPI is returning a 0. The year fee contains these values. Explain why this might be happening. Notice that ChatGPT immediately begins analyzing the field values and expression syntax. One possible issue here is that my field values are stored as January 2026 or February 2025 without a space, while my expression is searching for January 2026 with a space. Let's fix the problem. The KPI now shows or return a value about 19,100. After correcting the value format, the KPI now returns that expected result. The expression itself was not broken, guys. The problem was that the value used in set analysis did not match the actual value stored in the field. This is exactly where ChatGPT can help accelerate troubleshooting. When using ChatGPT for Qlik Sense development, guys, provide the exact expression, include sample field value, describe the expected result, and also describe the actual result. The more context you provide, the better troubleshooting assistance. ChatGPT will not replace testing and validation. However, it can help identify common set analysis issues, explain complex logic, and significantly reduce troubleshooting time. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Qlik Sense tutorial, BI workflows, and AI-powered analytics tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.